Walking through life, can't find my way. Just don't know which way to go. Don't know what to say. Who can I turn to show me the way? Lord, show glory, glory, glory. Lord, show glory today.
He has changed my life. He has turned me around.
He's my Father and my Savior.
He has turned my path into smoother ground.
I can call him. Where can I go? What can I do? When my road gets rocky, don't know what to do. What can I say that will see me through? I shout glory, glory, glory to the Lord. Shout glory to you. Glorify the Lord. Lift his holy name. 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 Where can I go? Where can I go? What can I do? What can I do? My road gets rough, my road gets rough. You know what to do. What can I say that will see me through? Glorify the Lord. Oh, we sing glorify
Glory,
the Lord.
hallelujah.
We sing glorify
Glory,
the Lord.
hallelujah.
We sing glory, glory, hallelujah. We sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Shout glory, glory, glory. Shout glory, glory, glory to the Lord.